Okay, in this section, we're going to look at polynomial and rational functions. So we want to be able to recognize a parabola. That's going to be your x squared, okay, your parabola. How we actually graph these. These are our quadratic functions, which are nice because if you think about it, if it looks like these, you're going to have a minimum. If it's upside down, you're going to have a maximum. So we'll figure out how to actually find those values. Look at different types of polynomials and their graphs, determine what happens as the graph is heading out to infinity, their end behavior, find the zeros where they actually cross the axis, and then look at using the intermediate value theorem. In this section, I only covered the synthetic division. Your textbook shows you long division as well, but I think most students like synthetic division a little better. It's a little easier. Just a step-by-step process, so be sure you watch my videos on these and then figure out the remainder theorem. As you know, when you divide, sometimes you might have a remainder. Looking at, in this section, the rational zero theorem to find zeros of any polynomial function. And then finally finish up looking at the domains of rational functions. These are pretty important because a rational function, as you're going to see, is where it's a polynomial divided by a polynomial. So the polynomial on the bottom, you need to ensure will never equal 0, so you're not dividing by 0. And then we'll look at vertical and horizontal asymptotes to be able to graph these, and then finally end with some applied problems.